All right, guys, so we're back at the shop after being here at 6 a.m. and David brought his car. I have not seen this car like since it was stock, and he pulls up and he's got all of his new parts on. He has the Subi Speed headlights. Those look so sick, and he's got his Anki wheels on. Dude, I really like that like copper bronze color. That looks pretty awesome. Yeah, and you got your Bridgestone Potenzas on there. Wow, that's sick. All right, so we're back at the shop, and Marcus actually finished up the red patch ups for us. So, dude, thanks. Scat. Okay, guys, so we are getting through with organizing the whole shop. We've got everything pushed back. Victor's here, and we've got Christian and all the guys here, and we are almost done clearing out this space. Look how much space we have. I'm doing this just because Marcus always makes fun of me for sticking my arm out like this, but sheesh, but YouTube life, so let's get it. Oh, what is that shirt, Victor? He's repping. He's repping.
We all keeping you fit, cuz.
Everybody getting that last shirt next week.
Yeah. All right, guys, we have the PS4 hooked up from Alex. He brought the PS4 in. I brought the TV in. We're gonna go get a stand from Walmart. We are living the dream. Okay, so now we have pretty much everything almost completely organized. I'm gonna fold up this table and get rid of this thing here, and then we're gonna get Stella back over here, but I'm thinking of taking off the downpipe. I missed that sound. It was really fun to rock for a little while, and it's like, what the heck, why not? So we'll probably put her on the lift, take the downpipe off real quick, and then we'll put her over here. And then we're gonna bring Julian's car in so that we can take a look at it and get started on the next video and figure out what is causing it to idle funny. So probably gonna do that. Maybe we'll throw the front mount intercooler on tonight, so we'll see. All right, so I decided I am putting Stella up on the lift. This is so dirty and filthy from the trees it was sitting under, so I really got to spray this thing down. Oh my gosh, I hate leaving my car like this. This is terrible for the paint, but it's raining right now. It's actually thunderstorming. This is the first like real thunderstorm of the season, I think. So anyways, let's take off this downpipe. I just want to hear what it sounds like again. Shit. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the Tomei. I know that this really reduces this. Oh, hey, ISC suspension. These are awesome. I love these, by the way. We're gonna lose the really nice sound from the Tomei, but there's just something about the loudness of the open downpipe that's really fun, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have the Tomei catback system off of the car now, and if we take a look at it, we are now open downpipe, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. I've run this once before and I absolutely loved how it sounded, and it was just ridiculous. You do lose the quality of the tone, but it's kind of fun to do once in a while, so let's do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a start with the open downpipe and see how she sounds.